Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center X. I'm showing you today this gorgeous looking Volkswagen Transporter Commerce Pro here in 4Motion and finishing this upgraded graphite metallic paint. Make sure to check out the description below as it's packed full of factory fitted extras, including these stylish full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as these upgraded signature Leighton black alloy wheels in this unique design that contrast the paint beautifully. In the rear, there are also upgraded C-signature vertical LED tail lights that stand out at night, and also the interior offers this lovely leather upholstery in two-tone finish with seats for 3 and even 2 ice fixture anchor points. Quick glimpse in the front will also reveal a stylish cabin with these upgraded leather seats as well, and there is full electric adjustment for the driver's seat with even extendable knee support. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which operates the digital cockpit up head. But the real treat here is this center touchscreen, offering permanent controls for the climate, including heated seats, heated steering wheel, and even a fully heated front windscreen. Plenty to enjoy here. We've also upgraded Discover navigation for the vehicle that comes with it, along with various other functions such as selectable drive modes, and even a full host of driver assistance functions that will scan the road ahead to protect you and your occupants at all times. Additionally, there's also AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto smartphone projection available with easy-to-use climate control, and helping you park is an area view camera offering visibility all around. If that wasn't enough, there's even a wireless induction charger. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter that's now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.